Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto E6S and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the display section. Click to advanced, scroll down and we can see that all ambient display section here. Just the ambient display that you should lift your device to just to see the notifications of something. So now we can see that it's turned off. Now when we just lift it, we can see that this option is activated. But if you want that your device all of the time shows you the notifications, the time, so you should just install the application from the Play Store, because that option will just work only then you lift your device to check. So now we should open the Play Store application, and in the search bar we should enter the Muviz Edge app. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download it and then install it on your device. So now let's tap to open the app, click to draw our apps, and here we should click on the swatcher. Now just go back, switch edge lights to AoD and select one from these available tabs. For example, let's use this one. So then click to apply, and now let's lock our phone. We should press twice to the power key and we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.